In this short series, we'll be creating Pro Tools templates for orchestral mockup mixing. In film scoring, it is crucial that your mockups be top-notch. The best way to achieve this is to compose and sequence first, in your DAW of preference, be it Digital Performer, Logic, Cubase, or any other, and then import the stems to be mixed with more detail in another dedicated session. My preferred DAW for mixing is Pro Tools, so I'll be showing you how I tend to create my templates in it. So let's open the program, and make sure the settings are 24-bit, 48 kHz interleaved, and save with a proper naming convention. I like to use dates, and then the name of the session, but feel free to use your own conventions as long as you're consistent with them. I'll save in the desktop for now. Now we will create one stereo master track, one stereo aux track, 10 stereo audio tracks, 18 stereo aux tracks, and 41 stereo audio tracks. Remember to use the commands for a fast workflow. Avoid using the mouse. Command-Shift-N for new tracks. Command left or right to select stereo or mono, and Command up and down to select track type, and Command-Shift-Down for a new track instance. Use the numbers to indicate the amount of tracks per instance. Now, this seems like a lot, but the idea is to create a large template that you can go to and subtract what you don't need rather than have to create tracks and bus routing every single time, as this is a time waster in the composer's and mixing engineer's workflow. Now I'll speed through the naming of the tracks. My preferred track order is in the description below or in this graphic. Now I color my tracks. Use your own convention if you like, but I like to have my masters in red, prints in purple, FX in black, and the same color for the audio tracks and sub-master groups of the different orchestral families. The strings, woodwinds, horns, brass, percussion types, keyboards, and accessories. Remember that to get the color palette, all you need to do is double-click on a track where it is colored. Select one or multiple tracks with Shift and select from the color palette. Now with Command G, I create the different track groups, by type and by orchestral families. We're now left with a basic layout, but are still missing some elements we'll be covering next. Remember to save your work compulsively with Command S. See you in the next video.